Hello guys, Valo Reviews here and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Oraimo 2Baba FreePods 2. If you're a subscriber of my channel and you've been watching my videos, you would have seen my review of the white FreePods 2. Comparing the two of them, they sound identical, but the 2Baba tuned edition is a bit special. I'm going to let you know what makes this one special, but before that, let's see what's inside the box. Inside the box, you'll find a black glossy charging case. The charging case is made from plastic. It's about 31 grams, which makes it super light, easy to put in your pocket, and durable. How do I know they're durable? Well, I've done this more than 20 times and it's still intact, so yeah, it's durable. The charging case has a 500 mAh battery that can charge the earbuds up to 6 times. It has 3 LED lights that show the case status and power level. At the bottom of the case is where you'll find the micro USB port to charge it up. By the way, it takes about 3 hours to charge the case from 0 to 100%. In the charging case, you will find the true wireless earbuds. Each earbud has a battery capacity of 37 mAh, which translates to 3.5 hours of talk time and 3 hours of continuous music playback time. Using the charging case, it takes about 2 hours to fully charge these earbuds, and finally, you get a micro USB cable to charge the case and an operational manual that shows you everything you need to know about the true wireless earbuds. The first thing you'll need to do is remove the protective film covering the charging pins and microphone on the earbuds. Turn on the earbuds by pressing on both touch sensors and you hear this. Power on. That's 2Baba's voice, by the way. You don't get to hear that voice if you have the white edition. Turn on the Bluetooth on your smartphone, search for the available media devices, and pair your smartphone to the Oraimo 2Baba True Wireless earbuds, and that's it. One cool feature of these earbuds is once it's paired to your smartphone, you don't need to pair it again. Take out the earbuds from the charging case and it connects automatically to your smartphone. That's a super neat feature. The Oraimo 2Baba FreePods 2 is a Bluetooth 5.0 device that results in super fast connectivity speed and a range of about 10 meters. These earbuds have touch controls and you can use it to control your music, answer and reject calls, and summon the Google Assistant. Tapping on any of the earbuds twice pauses and plays a song. Tap and hold on the left earbud for 1.5 seconds takes it to the previous track. Tap and hold the right earbud for 1.5 seconds takes it to the next track. Tap the left or right earbuds 3 times to increase or reduce the volume. And to reject a call, tap and hold for 2 seconds. To activate the Google Assistant, tap and hold for 2 seconds. This works when you don't have your music application open. The touch control is intuitive, it works pretty well, but it can be a little bit painful when tapping continuously. Ouch. And now the moment we've all been waiting for. How do these earbuds sound? Well, they sound pretty darn good. The treble is perfect, the mids are good, but the bass is lacking a bit. The 13mm dynamic drivers delivers clear sound. As for the volume, it can get loud but not too loud that it will start to irritate your ears and make you want to take them off. The perfect way to describe how these true wireless earbuds sound is balanced. Remember, they are tuned by 2Baba and it knows a thing or two about music. Okay, so they sound great, call quality is good. What about using them for long hours? Are they comfortable in the ear? Well, yes, I've had them on for more than 6 hours. I even slept with them on and my ears are not killing me, so that's a good thing, right? And if you're the type that likes to listen to music while working out, these earbuds won't fall off. So as you can see, I have the FreePods 2 in my ear and I'm trying to work out. They fit perfectly, by the way, and they would not be going anywhere when you're jogging. So this is me jogging right now, shaking my head, and the earbuds are not moving anywhere. So with these earbuds you can jog, run, exercise. They're sweat resistant as well, so you don't need to worry about sweat damaging them when you're working out. So yeah, you can use them to work out, run, and they're going to stay in place. At 9,900 Naira, the Oraimo 2Baba FreePods 2 are affordable true wireless earbuds that sound great and are easy to use using the touch controls. I would highly recommend you get these earbuds. They're also an ideal gift for a loved one for Christmas, so add this to your shopping list. So we've come to the end of this review. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel Valo Reviews, and I will see you guys in the next one. Valo, signing out.